Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use Rankmath feature, that is instant indexing. So just you need to go and get the plugin from here. This one is the official website, rankmath.com, and now let me log in. Just add wp-admin, then click login button. Now if I go in blog post, let me scroll down. Here you can see this one, instant indexing. Click this button to submit this page. So that page is submitted to index now. Here you can go to plugins. Just you need to get the plugin from here, and after that you can install the plugin from here. Just click add plugin, and after that you need to upload the plugin zip file.